Hey everyone, today I will show you how to create a group on X or Twitter, and here's how it is done. 1. Open the X app. Launch the X app on your device and log into your account. 2. Locate the group option. Look for an icon or menu option that represents group creation. It might be in the navigation bar or a menu labeled for group management. 3. Set up the group. Tap the group icon to access the group creation page. 4. Add members. Select the accounts you want to include in the group. Use the search function if needed to find specific users. 5. Create the group. Once you have chosen the members, click on the Create button to finalize the setup. Your group is now ready for use. You can engage with selected accounts more effectively by using this feature. Tip: if the group creation option is unavailable, ensure your app is updated to the latest version or check if the feature is available in your region. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.